My name is Alison Hounshell, and I work on the second floor at the library, and my job is to help anybody who needs it find books. There was always lots of fun and excitement and entertainment on the second floor of the library, but when summer reading comes around, it goes crazy. We love the adults, we love the children, and they all love to read. We try to make it as accommodating as we can. Come in, we can help you. You can sign up online. You can sign up in the library and we'll help you sign up there. You can pick up your books and your prizes on the second floor or anywhere in the library for the adults. And you get to choose a book from our little bookstore, and it's very exciting for the kids. We try to make it as easy and as accommodating for everybody as we can, and we're just here to help you enjoy summer reading.